Hey you guys, welcome back and thanks again for following along. So what I've done here is I'm doing some plaster repair on these walls. This is a really old house, so back in the day they used plaster to do everything with, and they don't use that anymore. Of course, they use drywall. So what has happened here is I've had some chipping and flaking in this plaster that had to be putty knifed off, to where it's not going to chip anymore eventually. And then what I also had to do was flake all this off that was chipped up. And what happened here is where this fireplace was, the flue comes down the wall, and over time there was heat, and the house also moved some, so it caused the wall to kind of bow out a little bit and start cracking up the plaster. So instead of tearing out the whole wall, I've done some plaster repair here. What I've done is took some drywall mud and went in here and filled up the holes. But in the bow here, what you want to do is take you a big knife, a big drywall knife, and come in the high spot and put it right here in the middle and ride that high spot up with your trowel, with a trowel full of mud as you do it, and use that as a guide to float the rest of the wall out that way. So you'll be building kind of out here and flushing in out that way. And as you can see, I've got it here now. Well, all I need is a light sand and I'll be ready for primer and paint. So that's how you do that. I'll be doing another job here this afternoon. I'll be doing some scraping on another ceiling and some drywall plaster repair over there. So stick around. I'll have a video of that, how I'm scraping it and the actual process of everything with fixing drywall. So that'll be this afternoon. Just kind of wanted to show you this wall and what I was able to do with it and what you can also do in plaster repair. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks again for following along and have a good one.